Hello everyone, my name is Jair Caballero and today I will give you a presentation, as you can see, of one of the seven wonders of the world. His name is Chichen Itza and it's a pyramid that has many years of life. Come on to the presentation. Wow. Chichen Itza really was a Mayan city where people like you or me lived. In that city, the pyramids known today as Chichen Itza was created. Over time, it deteriorated due to various factors, such as the weather, tourists, the sun, among others. And the people who visit this great pyramid are amazed by its beautiful. It's amazing because in those years there were no architect or heavy machinery to help create it. Here the question is as to know how did the Mayan make the pyramids so exact? Well, in the same, when visiting this magnificent place, tourists can take away some beautiful memories that the inhabitants make, such as a small pyramid and various souvenirs, for example, mask face and small pyramid um, in the other souvenirs. Speaking of negative, tourists have been the ones who have damaged the pyramid the most. A few years ago, you could climb the pyramid that today cannot be done because it's already very dangerous due to the carnalness that was had years ago. For example, in this second image, the tourist climbed the pyramid when he shouldn't have done it because it was forbidden. And in conclusion, it's recommended to visit this wonderful pyramid before it deteriorates further over time and even collapse with time. And And this is all for this video. I can only say goodbye and wish you a good day. Any questions? I will be answering your questions in the comment section. And thank you so much and goodbye.